guys, it's me, Natasha Lynn, your salon boss professional, and I just want to invite you guys to come join me every Sunday at 1:30 p.m. on Facebook Live. Yes! So I will either be here at this location or I will be at A&K Beauty Supply Store in Palmetto, Georgia. So I will be talking about hair care tips, business, fashion, beauty, makeup, all of the above. And this is not just for your professional stylist, but it is also for your everyday woman or your everyday man. So yes, come get the information. Tune in to Facebook Live with all of your questions and your comments. I will be here or at A&K Beauty Supply Store, and I will be available to answer all of your questions. And if you have comments, I love to hear comments as well. Also, if you guys want to know why I am always so excited and I'm always happy, I get my free coaching session every weekday at 11:30 a.m. with Tracy Ricks. Yes, Coffee and Conversations with Tracy Ricks. Yes, that is my coach. That is my life coach. You can get the combo for right now for a special introductory price of only $25. So, if you guys want to join the tribe, tune in to Tracy Ricks Coffee and Conversations. That is weekdays at 11:30 a.m. Take a sip. Hope to see you there. And also, again, I look forward to seeing you guys Sundays at 1:30 p.m. and at Salon Boss USA. Like my Facebook page and share it. Thank you guys.